Hello, good morning, students. Let's start our class for today. Today is Thursday, May 21st, 2020, and this is the first English activity for today. We're going to start with the topic number 9, that is Name the what events change the world. Okay, so let's start. Let's do this exercise. Exercise 1. Match the events with the pictures, then match the time with each one. Okay, let's read. Number 1. Gutenberg's mobile type printing press prints the first mass-produced books. El primer prototipo de la imprenta para producir libros en masa. I wanted you put the number 1 in the picture that you consider as correct. Okay, so you didn't write here the number. Then let's continue with the number 2. The Wright brothers made the first minute motorized flight. Dirigieron el primer vuelo motorizado. Okay, so checking the next slide, and I wanted you put the number 2 to the picture that is related with the sentence. Now, number 3, the French Revolution is started. So check again. We're talking about words. And the last one, Columbus reaches the new world. Okay, el descubrimiento del nuevo mundo de Colón. So, put the numbers according to the sentence to each picture. Okay, so in this unit, this topic, we are talking about events that change the world. So here we are remember some historical events. I wanted to research information about that events on the internet. Okay, here you have the years that you are going to investigate on the internet, and then you write here the year. Okay, in the next video I'm going to tell you what is the correct answer, but I wanted you to start to research on internet. Okay, so research the events on internet, and then we continue with the next exercise. In the exercise number 2, you are going to watch the video and answer the question below. What are the achievements? Okay, achievement, that means the logros of Alexander Graham Bell, Amelia Earhart, and Alexander Fleming. I wanted to write Alexander Graham Bell discovered something. Amelia Earhart did, and you complete the sentence. And Alexander Fleming invented, discovered, or did the first prototype. Okay, so you're going to complete the sentence, and I'm going to put this video during this video class, because I consider that you cannot hear correctly. So you're going to download the video from the platform. Okay, so you watch the video, you download this presentation, you put it in the slideshow presented way, and then you play the audio. Okay, so let's continue. Exercise number 3, vocabulary. From the topic number 9, we're talking about warfare, guerras. Okay, so repeat after me. Number 1, Ali. Repeat, Ali. Number 2, attack. Number 2, attack. Number 3, battle. Battle. 4, Bomb, bomb. 5. Civilian, civilian. 6. Defend, defend. 7. Invade, invade. Number 8. Missile, missile. Number 9. Rebel, rebel. Number 10. Refugee, refugee. Number 11. Siege, siege. Number 12. Surrender, surrender. 13. Terrorist, terrorist. 14. Terrorist, terrorist. 15. War, war. Okay, so here I need that you pay attention to the words. For example, here ally with double L, attack with double T, battle, double T as well, missile with double S, refugee with double E, siege. Okay, check the pronunciation is siege, but the writing is different. Okay, so be careful with that. Surrender with double R, terrorist with double R, and terrorist with double R. The meaning of that word may be, okay, you have problems with, you can have problems with refugee. Okay, refugee is a person that is exiliado, una persona exiliada, that comes from another place, que viene de otro lugar. Rebel, you know, is a revolutionary person, es una persona revolucionaria. Okay, missile, you know, is a gun. Attack, you know, what's the meaning? All I hear is like it can be someone that is agree with your ideas or is agree with your opinion. Siege, that means another synonym of that word that you can use here is offense, an ofensa. Surrender, that means that is around. Terrorism, you know, and terrorist, you know, is someone that practice the terrorism. On war, okay, you know what's the definition and the meaning. Okay, now let's continue with the next activity. For the exercise number 4, you are going to write the definitions. Okay, this is the first part. I'm going to write here part 1. You know, ally is a noun. That means a nation, group of person united with one or more other to achieve a common goal. Una nación o un grupo de personas unidas para obtener un logro en común. Number 2, attack, that is a noun, is the act of attacking. Okay. Number 3, battle, is a verb, that means to fight or struggle. Pelea, una batalla. Number 4, bomb, is a verb here, and that means to attack with this gun. Number 5, civilian, is a noun and is someone who is not in the armed force. Un civil, alguien que no está en las fuerzas armadas. Number 6, defend, that means to protect from danger, proteger del peligro. Invade, that means to enter a community or region in order to control it. Invadir, entrar a una comunidad o región para ordenar o controlarlo. Okay, next. For the exercise number 5, you are going to write a sentence with each word. Underline the concept. Okay, so here you can write, for example, Britain and the United States were allies, fueron aliados, allies. during the World War II. For attack, another example, it can be they made the attack under the cover of darkness. For battle, you can tell me an example that it can be the two boxers battle to win the match. For bomb, planes bombed, bombardearon, los aviones bombardearon, planes bombed with ed, you add ed because it's a verb, bombed the city all night long. Los aviones bombardearon la ciudad toda la noche. Civilian. Soldiers and civilians work together to stop the flood waters. All soldiers and civilians work together for a common goal. Number 6. Defend. The knights defended the castle. Los caballeros defendieron el castillo. 7. Invade. The army invaded the city using tanks. Okay, so you're going to write your own sentences here, and I want you to underline the concept. When you finish, send the evidence, and please read the directions that I wrote in the platform. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.